Namaste. Welcome to my art channel. In this video, we'll be looking at art basics, starting with colour and tone. So what are primary colours? These are single colours that can be mixed together to make a whole range of other colours, except for white and black. It is possible to make a dark colour like black using the primary colours, and I'll show you how to do this in a new video. The three primary colours are red, blue and yellow. So what are secondary colours? If you mix two primary colours together, that will make a secondary colour. The secondary colours are orange, green and purple. If you mix red and yellow, that makes orange. Mixing yellow and blue makes green, and mixing red and blue makes purple. What are complementary colours? These are colours which go together. If you look at the colour wheel, the complementary colour is opposite the primary colour. So purple is opposite yellow. Purple is the complementary colour for yellow. Orange is opposite blue, so orange is the complementary colour for blue. And green is opposite red, so green is the complementary colour for red. Instead of using a colour wheel, the colours are now displayed in columns to show the difference between the light and the dark tones. The colours are in order: the primary colours, red, blue and yellow, and the secondary colours, purple, orange and green. Here are some examples of different types of pencil from light to dark. 4H and 2H. These are light, hard pencils that are good for watercolour paintings or for technical drawings. HB is in the middle, and 3B and 8B are examples of darker, softer pencils. These are good if you want to do dark areas of shading. Personally, I prefer to use an HB pencil or a 2B pencil, which is slightly darker. Different styles of shading: circles, crosshatch, smudging, straight lines, scribble, or merely using the side of a pencil. That's it for today. I hope you'll join me next time when we might do some painting together.